Now we are going to discuss about chapter 11 constructions, exercise 11.2, fourth question. Here previous 1, 2, 3 questions already we completed. Fourth question, what they telling there? Draw a pair of tangent where to the circle. That circle radius is given. How much centimeter radius a circle we want? 5 centimeter radius circle drawing. Then two tangent constructing. The two tangent make an angle of how much degree? 60 degree. This type model question coming time how to construct the tangent and the angle. How to do that one we are going to discussion doing. First of all, take out your compass and scale and pencil. How much centimeter we want? 5 centimeter radius circle. 5 centimeter radius circle we want to draw. 5 centimeter. So first 0 to 5 centimeter measure. 0 to 5 centimeter. Then keep a center here. Oya center. Then 5 centimeter circle. 5 centimeter circle drawing. 5 centimeter circle like this way, where we keep access and sharp end of the compass, there we mark an alphabet OM. Then 60 degree construction, that's why through O draw a diameter. Through O draw a diameter like this. In this way diameter, draw a diameter. Mark any name. I mark it as A and B. AOB is a diameter of this circle. Next what we want to do means here center O is there. O is the center of the circle. From O draw 60 degree. Here how much measurement they mention? 60 degree. That's why take O as center, 60 degree measurement. That's why take protractor, keep O as center. In this way protractor keeping a baseline AB, OB as the baseline, O as the center point, outside scale reading, not inside. Why? Because it is on the right side part. So outside scale reading 60 degree. Where outside? Here, there, that point marking. It comes outside the circle. But a line joining the line not going outside. So here in this way take a keep and join the center O to that point, not a point going outside, up to inside only. We mark this one represent as how much degree construction? 60 degree construction. There you can give any alphabet. I give mark an alphabet as a C. The next procedure, two tangent we want. Two tangent for this circle. How to construct means take OA as a base or a center line and A as a center point. Draw a perpendicular means how much degree? 94. A as center, 90 degree point mark. 90 degree point there. So from A to that point, join A to, by here A is in the outside there, A to that point joined with a straight line. In this way straight line use and refer here OA as a baseline, A as the center point, keep protractor on A and how much degree? 90 degree take and using 90 degree this point and here 90 degree point joined with a straight line. Same way OC as the baseline, C as the center point, from there also joined to make a 90 degree, draw a perpendicular 90 degree, 90 degree there here 90 degree point marking. 90 degree. That C and that 90 degree point joined with a straight line. C and 90 degree point joined with a straight line joining. So both line from A to this line and C to this line, both are intersecting point. We can give any alphabet. I mark an point as a P. Then remember, P is the point outside the circle, and AP and AC are the two tangent for this circle. I hope you can understand. So what we want to prove that then AP tangent and AC tangent, they make how much degree here? 60 degree. We want to prove that. Not simply marking it, we want to prove that AP tangent and CP, so CP tangent, they make how much degree? 60 degree. How to do that one? By justification, doing time we get to that. Answer steps are write in your own sentence, take and write what are the constructions we need for doing this. What are the steps needed for these constructions? So I hope you can understand this one. Then justification, how to do justification? First justification. In justification, first of all, in justification, how to do means, here see, they make AOB is how much? AOB is how much? Angle, AOB is a straight line. It is a straight line. Straight line. Straight line property. Last year onwards we learned. Straight line property says that sum of angle become how much degree? 180 degree. Which are the angle? BOC plus COA comes to be how much? 180 degree. Why we take it like that? Why? Because we want AOC value. That's why we take AOB as a straight line, then straight line property or linear pair property apply time AO angle BOC plus angle COA is equal to 180 degree linear pair property. Then what about BOC value? Already that one constructed. How much degree? 60 degree plus angle COA or AOC, any order, that is equal to 180. So therefore angle COA is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree because how much degree? 120. So this part we get it as how much? 120 degree. Then next step. So this part 120 degree. Then next here see which shape this one? One quadrilateral shape. Quadrilateral means it have how many sides? 4-sided figure. We call it as a quadrilateral. See AOCPA is a quadrilateral side. So we can write it as a AOCP is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Then next here sum of angles in a quadrilateral is how much degree? 360 degree. We know that the angle become a 360 degree. So which are the angle? Angle wise writing time 3 alphabets are needed. First O comes as vertex means we write it as AOC plus next C comes as vertex means OCP plus C comes next P comes as vertex means CPA plus next A mid as vertex means we can write it as angle PAO. Like this way we can write it. Here how many vertex are there? 4 vertex are there. Which are the A vertex, OA, CA, PA. So angle wise read, but that vertex comes on the middle alphabet or any order you can take it. Then AOC value is how much? AOC already we marked by linear pair property applied and we got how much? 120. Instead of that place we can write 120 degree. Then what about here OCP angle? Here see from a C vertex to early we constructed how much degree? Here we constructed there 90 degree. That's why their place we can write it as a 90. Then what about a CPA? That value we want to find a CPA. That means P vertex value we want to find it. Become a how much degree? 6. That value we don't know. We want that value. Plus angle PAO, that means A vertex, from A vertex also early we take in 90 degree construction. That's why A vertex also become 90. That is equal to sum of quadrilateral is how much degree? 360 degree equal 360 degree. Add all this number 120 plus 90 plus 90 become how much? 300 degree. So 300 degree plus angle CPA is equal to 360 degree. So here therefore what we can conclude there, angle CPA is equal to 360 degree plus 300 goes to opposite side, comes to be how much? Minus 300. So we can write here, I write here writing time here, therefore angle CPA is equal to 360 degree minus 3. Subtraction doing how much degree? 60 degree. I hope you can understand this, how they are justification doing here. C vertex early we take 90 degree, protractor use a 90 degree we constructed. Then same way A vertex case also 90 degree. That's why here C and A place 90 we marked. And P vertex we don't know, that one we got it as how much as 60. I hope you can understand this fourth question. Next fifth question. Fifth question that tells about draw a line segment. Fifth question that tells about draw a line segment. Name they given as AB. AB is equal to 8 centimeter line segment to draw a. Then afterwards they telling that take A as center. Take A as center. A as center. 4 centimeter radius circle draw a circle. 4 centimeter take and 4 centimeter circle we want to draw it. Then afterwards take B as center. B as center, draw another circle. Draw a circle. Then this A point also we want to construct a tangent, and from B point also we want to construct a tangent. That is the meaning of that question. So what we want to do first we start with the draw a line segment. So we start with the draw a line segment. How much centimeter? 8 centimeter. From 0 to 8 centimeter line drawing. Mark it as A and B. How much centimeter? 8 centimeter. Next what they telling A as center, draw a 4 centimeter circle. That's why first we take 4 centimeter circle, 4 centimeter, and draw 4 centimeter circle. So 0 to 4 centimeter measure. A as center, keep A as compass sharp and keep as A, and 4 centimeter circle we want to construct. Keep A as center, 4 centimeter circle we want to construct. In this way 4 centimeter circle we want to construct. Then afterwards what they telling him? Take B as center. How much centimeter? 3 centimeter radius circle. So O as center, 3 centimeter take and draw a circle. B as center, 3 centimeter take and draw a 3 centimeter circle. 3 centimeter circle. So remember A as center 4 centimeter circle, radius circle. Take B as center, 3 centimeter radius circle draw. Then next what they are telling, draw the tangent for A and draw the tangent for B. How to draw a? We know that two circles are intersecting time. We can able to construct a tangent. Here that's why first what we want to do, one more circle drawing. How to draw third circle? Take the distance between AB. AB is how much? 8. Draw a perpendicular bisector for AB. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? More than half. Half of 8 become 4. More than half become a 4.5 centimeter. Take A as center. Draw an arc up and down. B as center. Opposite arc up and down. Both arc intersecting point joined with a straight line. Both arc intersecting point joined with a straight. This is the perpendicular line for both here AB line. So perpendicular bisector getting after perpendicular bisector intersecting AB side, the AB line, that point mark as O dash. That point mark it as O dash. Then next procedure, how to draw the third circle? Take O dash as center, O dash A or O dash B take as a radius. Draw the third circle. So O dash to A or O dash to B, anyway, anyhow that circle passing our A and B point. O dash as center, O to A distance take and draw a circle, it passing through the in this way third circle will get in there. Next procedure, how to construct now see in left side case, point A is the outside of this circle. Point A is the outside of this then here see these two left side case, first circle and that is 4 centimeter circle and third circle where they are intersecting here, this here and here. There we can give any name. I mark it as a P and S I marked, or P and Q I marked there. Same way, third circle and second circle. This how much centimeter circle? Second 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter circle and third circle intersecting point here and here. There you mark it as a R and S. Then join. How to join? With respect to A point. A is a point outside of which circle? 3 centimeters. See, A is a point outside of the 3 centimeter circle. That's why P to R and P to S joining time we get a tangent for a 3 centimeter circle. That is B point, B circle we will get in there. Here see, they are joining. So here which are the tangent? Here with respect to 3 centimeter circle, A is a point outside the circle. P to R and so A to R and A to S are the two tangent constructing with respect to 3 centimeter circle. Then with respect to 4 centimeter circle, what are the tangents there? In that case, B is the point. See, 4 centimeter circle. B is a point outside the circle, that circle. That's why B to P and B to Q are joining time. We get another 2 tangent. B to P and B to Q are the tangent for a 4 centimeter circle. So with respect to 4 centimeter circle, which are the tangent? BP and BQ are the 2 tangent. With respect to 3 centimeter circle, which are the tangent? AR and AS are the tangent. I hope you can understand. This is the construction for the tangent. But justification we want. How to justify? Justification. How to justification doing? In justification case, we just joining A to P, 4 centimeter circle. From 4 centimeter circle, A is the center of that circle. From A to one tangent joined. Same way A to Q also possible, but one right angle triangle and fairly we learned that. Same way with respect to 3 centimeter circle, which point we are constructed there. Here B to R joining, B to R were joining. We get another right angle triangle. First, this right, which is our right angle triangle. Here, looking time, A, P, B is a right angle triangle, and we know radius and the or at perpendicular and the tangent, they make a how much degree? 90 degree. So APB is a right angle triangle. P vertex make a 90 degree. 90 degrees opposite side, that is AB side, is the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle, and AP is the base of that here altitude of that right angle triangle, and BP is the base of that right angle. We want a BP value. AB value how much? 8 cm. A to B distance they given as 8 cm. What about AP? The AP is equal to the radius of our A circle. A circle radius how much we could take? 4 centimeter. That's why AB represent as 4 centimeter. AB represent as 8 centimeter. How to find a BP value? Pythagoras theorem. So we can write it as in triangle. In triangle APB, here hypotenuse square is AB square is equal to altitude square AB square plus BP square. AB value is how much? 8. So 8 square is equal to AP is equal to 4. Radius of first circle, that is 4 centimeter. But we don't know BP is equal to our tangent. So 8 square becomes how much? 64. 4 square becomes 16 plus BP square. So 64 minus 16 is equal to BP square. How much will coming there? Here 14 minus 6 comes to be 8. 5 4 48 is equal to BP square. This implies that we want a BP value. BP side, how to get to take square root of 48. How to consider square root of 48. How to take a prime factorization, taking 24. Again divided with 2, 12. Again divided with 2, 6. Again divided with 2, 3. 3 is a prime number. So pairing. From each pair, one number. Here first box 1, 2 take out second pair 1, 2. But 3 have no pair. That one keep inside the root also. 2 2s are how much? 4 root 3 centimeter is the here how much length of the tangent. Which tangent? BP. Same way what we can say BQ also same only. So therefore we can say BP is equal to BQ. Both of the measurement become how much? 4 root 3. I hope you can understand. That is with respect to which in which way this two tangent case. Same way this 3 centimeter circle is that tangent case also we want to justification. That's why here I joining B and R are joining. Then at joining time we get which is a right angle triangle. BRA is a right angle triangle, and here BP is a radius of the 3 centimeter circle, and R make it here perpendicular and tangent. They make an angle how much degree? 90 degree. 90 degrees opposite. Which is the opposite side? AB side is the opposite. That is hypotenuse. And BR is the altitude and AR is the base. Same way Pythagoras theorem apply here. BR value represent as a radius of the second circle. Radius of second circle is how much? 3 centimeter. Then AB is equal to H, but we don't know AR value. AR value same process doing and find out. So next part also, second part also similarly we can say second triangle, here B RA or ARB triangle we can consider. There here opposite 90 degree opposite side is AB, that is our hypotenuse square, and BR is the altitude square and AR is the base square. AB value represent as 8, so 8 square equal. BR represent as a radius of that small circle, that is 3 square, plus AR value we don't know, we want to find that value. So how to find out that value? 8 square is how much? 64. 3 square become 9 plus AR square. So 64 minus 9 is equal to AR square. Here 40 minus 9 comes to be how much? 5. Here 55 is the so there this implies that we want AR side. How to find out? Here subtraction doing the how much? 55 will coming in, that is equal to AR square. So AR is equal to take square root of 55. Square root of 55 and this way right or stop, or 55 prime factorization. It is not a perfect square. Prime factorization doing it, both are pairing not possible. That's why root 55 is the AR is the tangent of the this circle. That's why AR and the AS are equal. AR is equal to AS, both are tangent of the first circle. They to become how much centimeter? Root 55. I hope you can understand this two questions. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.